Okay, we're ready. Easiest DIY ever. It's gonna take maybe 2 minutes. So you get all your supplies together and your ribbon and a glue gun, because you can't go wrong with that. And we're just gonna tuck the ribbon through the garland or the wreath and hot glue it together. And remember, these wreaths, they don't have directions, so don't worry about what the top or the bottom is. And all I'm doing is hot gluing the ribbon together low enough so that you're not going to see the connection when I hang it. Ooh, it's hot. I'm squeezing it together until it's dry. And I'm going to flip it over. I'm not even going to worry about measuring it. I'm just going to eyeball it and kind of center it on the chalkboard. And then I'm going to hold the ribbon here as I flip it to make sure I don't lose my spot. Then I'm going to come back, grab my glue gun, and do the same thing. Nice big blob of hot glue. And then I'm going to hold this down. You can even use your scissors to push through because that glue gets really hot. I'm going to hold it until it's dry. In fact, I might even just cut this now. No one's going to see the back, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So once this is dry, let's see. I think we're good. What do you think? Super cute, right? So let's hang it on the wall. Doesn't take much, guys. Scissors, hot glue. This is the hard part. We already pre-measured for the nails to make sure it was hung. That's it.